Hi, Tamosha.
Hello, hello, sir.
So, Tamosha, what do you do?
So basically, I have been a trainer into this. I've been into this Tissol training and train the trainer, all this part. So yeah, currently I am into that.
Great, wonderful. A straight blunt question, Tamosha. How much money do you make?
Well, I do make around 10 to 12 lakhs an annum. But yes, of course, we always look forward to more.
So, can I say you are happy with this kind of money you're making or not?
I would say yes, I'm happy. Of course, I'm happy. It's pretty satisfying. But yes, like I said, if it's like more is less, it's like that. The better it is, the more it is, the better it is.
Absolutely, no doubt about that.
Yeah.
So, Tamosha, tell us more about your work experience. Tell us more about your journey.
Well, when I started, I had started off as into school teaching, but then soon I had undergone certain certification because I wanted to change, like I wanted to shift it, and soon I came to this particular segment, which I found really interesting because I get to meet so many different people, and I
Right.
have been in this freelance training now for a couple of years now, pretty long years. So that has been
Right.
a very wonderful journey till now.
Great. And I'm glad that you're enjoying it.
Yes, definitely. Especially when I came here, it was really enjoying.
What about your education background? What have you been doing before this?
I had done my English. I have been I have been a graduate with English honors and masters as well with English, and soon I pursued my B.Ed degree for teaching job. Then I got into school teaching, and after that I changed my career into this. Then I underwent all the certification, this TTT and TESOL training, and then after I came to this particular segment.
Great, great. That has been quite a journey, Tamosha.
Yes, pretty variety, varied one.
Absolutely. Tamosha, tell me it's about your X factor. What differentiates you from the world?
I think I don't know if it should be called an X factor or not, but definitely what I feel that I do have a good communication skill, which I think is a very necessary, for in any field that you go nowadays. And I think I'm pretty much smooth in that. I don't get. I don't feel hesitant when I'm with somebody. So I think that is something a very good quality I have, and that is one thing which keeps me going in whatever field I am into. So I think that is one X factor I have, where I have been very good with my communication with whatever topic be it.
Absolutely. I think absolutely. I think as the world is transiting towards adapting AI, relationship, emotions, communication has become all the way more important. So I would
Yes, true.
say your X factor is definitely an X factor, and you qualify to call it an X factor. So amazing! It was wonderful talking to Tamosha. Have a
Thank you
nice day
so
ahead,
much.
and all the best for
Thank you
life
so
ahead.
much.
Take care. Bye.
Right. Same to you. So have a great day.
You. Bye.
Thank you so much.